Good evening everyone. Now we are going to understand about erythroblastosis foetalis. Erythro means red blood. Blastosis refers to breakdown of red blood cells. In fetus is foetalis. How does it occur? To understand that, let us understand the concept of Rh antigen. In rhesus monkey, along with the in humans, in previous video we have learned that ABO blood groups are there based on presence of various antigens. Similarly, in rhesus monkey there was a discovery of antigen on the RBC. Since it was in rhesus, that antigen was named as Rh antigen. Later on it was found that 85% of the human population had same kind of antigen in their blood, 15% did not have. So those who have got Rh antigen in their RBC surface, they are regarded as Rh positive. Those who do not have antigen are regarded as Rh negative. Let's take an example. Let's take a person who's having A blood group. A blood group is due to presence of A antigen in the RBC. But why do we say it as A positive? It means along with A antigen in their RBC, they have got Rh antigen also. So they are regarded as A positive. A negative person is the one who in his RBC will be having A blood group. Along with A blood group, he doesn't have Rh antigen at all. So he is, since Rh antigen is absent, he is A negative. But antibodies remains same. A positive person is because of A blood group, antibody B will be there. A negative person also will be having same antibody seen in A blood group person. Now let's take an example of a pregnant woman. How the Rh presence of Rh positive, Rh negative affects. I have taken one condition where during the first pregnancy, where a female is having A negative blood group, whereas growing fetus is having B positive blood group. So there is incompatibility between mother and the growing fetus. How fetus became positive? Due to father's blood group. A negative refers to in the mother's blood there will be anti-B antibodies which will be circulating, whereas in fetus, growing fetus, there is B blood group means antigen B is there. Anti-B antibody, antigen B. You may think that this antibody can attack. No, not possible, because anti-B is bigger. They belong to IgM group of immunoglobulin or antibodies which are bigger in size. They cannot enter into the womb of the mother. So even if antibodies are there, blood group cannot, the RBC cannot be attacked. So nothing will happen. But at the time of parturition, which is known as delivery, till now mother's blood and fetus blood has not come in contact. Only mother was delivering nutrients through the placenta. Also some other antibodies mother can deliver, not these antibodies. Now at the time of parturition, mother's blood and the fetus blood come in contact, because there will be during parturition it occurs. So what happens is, when blood comes in contact, fetus blood is positive, which means fetus blood is having Rh antigen on the surface. Against this antigen, mother's blood, due to contact, develops a new antibody, because mother's blood think that some antigen is there which is new to the body. That antibody developed is called anti-Rh antibody. Against this antigen, one antibody is developed, which are smaller in size. It belongs to IgG group of immunoglobulin. So baby is delivered as normal baby without any problem. But in the second pregnancy, the same woman having negative blood group, she will be she would have developed by now an anti-Rh antibodies. So what happens? Again, baby formed in the womb of the mother is having B positive or any other positive blood group. which means Rh antigen is there. Now mother who has developed antibody against Rh antigen can easily pass through the placenta since it is smaller in size. Once it passes through the placenta, it can attack the RBC. RBC means red blood cell. RBC, when it is attacked by antibody, RBC can break. That is called erythroblastosis in fetus. What happens? Number of RBC decreases, causing that condition is called anemia. Also, if RBC number decreases, it will lead to jaundice. And in severe cases, it can lead to death of the fetus also. Is there any treatment for it? Yes, there is treatment. What is that? In the first pregnancy, when you know that mother is having negative blood group, child is having positive blood group, you will be knowing that mother's blood and fetus blood come in contact, mother will be developing antibody. So you have to administer soon after the first pregnancy, administer the mother with anti-Rh antibody injection. Look at the antibodies. You are giving antibody. How it works? It is also called Rhogam. So when you give little amount of injection containing anti-Rh antibody, whatever antibodies are there, it will go to the RBC, neutralize the Rh group of RBC. Okay, I repeat, it will, this is the RBC of the baby or RBC of the fetus who is carrying Rh antigen. By giving injection, that Rh can be neutralized, so that even if mother is having antibodies against Rh, since Rh is neutralized, immunological response will not be there. So this is how we can control erythroblastosis fetalis. I hope concept is clear. Thank you for watching.